Hello, my name is Rujo Patel. I'm currently in design and manufacturing for fall 2024 under Dr. Hassan Rashidi. And for project 2, a common product I use every day in my life is acne serum. And the main issue I have with acne serum is the dropper. So the dropper has a couple issues for myself. One that it's somewhat difficult to grab liquid efficiently from this dropper, as well as applying it. I have to put this serum on my fingers and apply it to my face, which is cross-contamination and also is difficult. And if I haven't used this for a while, the dropper dries out. This with serum and makes it harder to use. So that is why I decided to create a product that supports this existing product in dropper, but replaces the actual dropper with this concept design shown right here. So just as I mentioned, here's the concept sketches for a serum ball dispenser. With the current design, the serum often clogs the dropper, does not have good control on how much serum is applied, and is not ideal as the serum gets hard. With this concept design I have right here, here's some of the improvements. Borrowing the design from a ballpoint pen, essentially using this idea that the ball will bring more serum around when rolled onto a surface. This allows for no dried serum with tight tolerances as only a thin amount of serum is applied with each ball stroke, thus allowing better control of serum application. And as another advantage is that the serum is no longer applied by hand, reducing cross-contamination. The application and the concept sketching, at least the way that it was initially prototyped, would be a 3-piece assembly via snap fitting, which we'll get into later in this video. Now let's go over the CAD to create this concept design into reality. So first, let's look at examine the bottom part, which will connect between the actual serum, which you can see kind of right here, and the rest of the items. So the bottom part acts as kind of like a replacement to the serum, the dropper, where it attaches onto the actual bottle with these threads. From there, you can see that the top portion of the piece has 4 small holes. This will allow for serum to droop through the holes when turned upside down or when using the actual product to then get onto the ball, which will then lather the actual serum onto one's face in this type of motion. And so some design elements used in this process is obviously threading, as well as snap fitting, which is shown right here. And the component that goes with this will be shown in a little bit after this piece. Of course, in order for this product to work, one of the main items we have is a ball. Pretty self-explanatory, this ball will sit within the chamber of the product and will be put together via snap fitting. Finally, here's the top piece that puts it all together. As you can see from this cross section, the top piece has a slight inward slope. This is so that the ball can pop out of the top, but not exactly escape the chamber, allowing for the ball to freely move around inside the chamber and roll around and lather up serum without actually escaping. As you can see right here with these little extended ridges, this is also the other piece of the snap fit component, which will then be put together as shown here. Now the assembly in the cross section kind of gives an idea of how this product will work. Assuming that this product has the design that I've replaced, there'll be a little screw that goes on top with a little ball. This ball will be then turn the product upside down and apply it to one's face while rolling the ball on top of the face. This applies a even pattern of serum and allows for easy rubbing into the skin without having to ever use your fingers. On the right, we see a completed model where you see the ball slightly perched up on top. And just with that, we were able to show and create our product. To kind of give a better idea of how these components are assembled together, I went ahead and took the previous assembly and expanded it out in a better view. Now to kind of understand what's really going on here, we have 3 pieces. As mentioned before, this piece will snap into this piece into this little groove with a tolerance of about half a millimeter. With that tolerance is enough for it to come off without needing to be undone. Of course, the marble is placed in between those pieces, allowing for quick and easy assembly that will never be needed to be undone and will be very sturdy and will not come apart. Now, this can be also seen as a disadvantage, which we might get into in a little bit. However, this is extremely advantageous from a manufacturing standpoint due to the ease of manufacturing. All that would be needed on a mass production scale is a robot with a hydraulic press-like system that just simply presses these pieces together, allowing for quick and easy assembly. Now that we covered kind of concept sketches and the CAD to actually make this product, let's go over the manufacturing processes and the materials that we will use to create this product. So to create both the base and the top, we'll be utilizing a 3D printer with a high fidelity and specifically, most likely, with PLA, polylactic acid. The reason we use this material and manufacturing process is because it's cost efficient and extremely accessible, allowing for easy use of mass production. Finally, to be used in between these two pieces will be a marble, specifically glossy glass marble. Now, kind of show the picture right here. The reason we use glossy glass marble is for two main reasons. As well as being extremely cost efficient, its manufacturing techniques are already in high tolerance. Therefore, we will not have to worry about these irregular sizes of the balls when being used in our product, allowing for an easy transition and easy use on the skin. So, what are a couple of advantages of this product that I've proposed and versus the serum dropper, a ball serum dispenser? Now, some advantages is there's no application via hands, therefore no cross-contamination. It is a single-use application, allows for a faster application, no hardened serum, as well as no mess, allowing for a quick and easy application of serum, unlike the picture shown here, where this man will most likely have to rub in the serum after he applies it to his face. Now, on the flip side, there's some disadvantages is that it may make other items get serum on it when traveling, as there's no secure way to clean this marble, or to kind of keep this casing together. And since we're using now a ball with no airtight compartment, it is not waterproof. However, a solution for this that is quite easy would be a cap that goes on top of this both marble and kind of serum dispenser, allowing for easy travel as well as waterproofing. Finally, I would like to go over some resources I used. Of course, I referenced them right here. Thank you so much for watching.